Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mr. B-Man. This is my first video, or as Mr. B-Man, and I've made other videos, but let's not talk about that. This is my YouTube channel, and well, I'm gonna be doing some stuff with bees, maybe branch off from that eventually, but for now, bees, I want to show you something. I would show you the Multishot version, but I'm afraid that's going to crash my game. So, I'll just show you what this does. But you're wondering what this, would do to, like, a large amount of stone or something, lucky. 30 by 30 by... Well, here you can see it. This is what this will do to it. It's really decent damage. See the hole blew it. That's like one of the toughest blocks in the game. Now let's try the multi-shot. I don't care if I crash the game right now. And you'll see it does a lot more damage. It just tunnels that way, pretty much. It's like, goes right in. Just decimated this 30 by 30. A little bit left, but not much. Does a pretty good job, and well, that's all for now. If y'all have any new ideas for like any new models or stuff to do with bees, I'm up to try and listen and see if I could. And I'll try to improve this, make it cooler, make it more destructive. You know, whatever seems like best. Anyway, see you next time. I'm Mr. B-Man. Bye.